12 minutos.
I'm really happy. Really sorry for Esteban, you know, but this is like this. You need to be careful everywhere. And when they told me he went out with the red lights, I knew something was going to happen. So I took it a little bit easy in sector 1, and then, you know, the car felt very good. Again, a fantastic job from the team. So, you know, we will see tomorrow. Still 2 long races, but 5 more points in the championship. Looking good. Ivan is there as well, so we hope we can do a good weekend here in front of everybody. So, gracias, muchas gracias.